Sometimes, when you finally see the finished result, it's hard to believe how much work, time, and patience went into it. This stairwell may just look like another renovation project to some people, but for us, it represents progress. A small reminder that little by little, we're building the kind of life we've been dreaming about. Behind every finished project is a messy beginning. This part right here is usually the part people don't talk about enough. The dust, the noise, the uncertainty, and the physical exhaustion that comes with trying to build something with your own hands. Me and my wife have been slowly taking on these renovations ourselves, learning as we go, making mistakes, figuring things out one step at a time. Some days are exciting, and some days are frustrating, but every project teaches us patience. And honestly, these moments mean a lot to us because years ago, we never imagined we'd be doing this together, working side by side, trying to improve our home, not just for ourselves, but for our future. This house has already been part of our story for many years, and now we're slowly transforming it again with a bigger goal in mind. We're preparing for a future Airbnb business, something we hope can create additional income for our family and help us move closer to financial freedom and early retirement someday. Not because we want luxury, but because we want options. We want more time together as a family, more freedom to choose how we live our lives, more opportunities to enjoy life while we still can. And even though these renovations can be tiring, there's something meaningful about knowing every nail, every cut, and every improvement carries a purpose behind it. While we were busy working on the stairwell, our son was preparing lunch for us. And honestly, moments like this make all the hard work feel worth it. Because this journey isn't only about renovating a home, it's about building memories together as a family. We actually sold our dining table because we'll eventually be replacing it with a new one as part of the renovation. And sometimes progress means letting go of things first before you can create something better. So for now, this is our dining setup. Just food on the floor, tired bodies, and taking a quick break in the middle of all the chaos. And strangely enough, these simple moments feel real. There's something humbling about sitting together on the floor, sharing a meal after hours of hard work. No fancy setup, no perfect home, just family. And maybe that's something we've learned through this entire journey. That happiness doesn't always come from having everything finished. Sometimes it comes from simply appreciating where you are while you are still building. Years from now, we'll probably look back at moments like this and smile. Not because things were easy, but because we were together through all of it. After all the dismantling, adjustments, and work, we finally started attaching the final stair post, and this part always feels rewarding because after all the effort, you finally begin seeing the vision come together. It reminds us that progress in life works the same way. Most of the important things take time. Slow progress is still progress. Seeing the finished stairwell now makes all the hard work worth it. Every project we complete gives us a little more confidence, not just in renovating, but in ourselves. A lot of what we know today came from simply being curious enough to learn, watching videos, researching, trying, failing, trying again. And honestly, that mindset has changed our lives more than any skill ever could. Because once you learn how to learn, nothing feels impossible anymore. And before ending the video, here's another small upgrade we recently added to our home. These ODL add-on blinds for our kitchen door. It's funny because we've owned this house for years and never really paid attention to products like this before. Now that we have them, we honestly cannot imagine not having them anymore. And that's one thing this renovation journey has been teaching us. It's often the small improvements that make every life feel better. Little by little, project by project, we're slowly creating a home we truly enjoy living in, while also building toward our bigger dream of financial independence and freedom. We still have a long way to go, but every project brings us one step closer. And if you've been following our journey, thank you so much for being here with us. If you enjoy real life renovations, family projects, and our journey toward building a more flexible life through extra income and future Airbnb plans, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're just getting started.